Hey friends, welcome to day 3 of the 7-day refresh. I'm Jazz, and today's 15-minute workout is focusing on the lower body. Exercises are designed for beginners and seniors, but all fitness levels are welcome to join. Let's get some weights ready to go. Let's get a mat ready to go. Let's take a few deep breaths to get ourselves centered, and we'll get started soon. All right, team, snag those mats and let's bring it down to the floor or get a nice comfortable spot on the floor, and we're gonna get some donkey kicks going, okay? So we're gonna get into that tabletop position, hands underneath the shoulders, knees underneath the hips, okay? And then you're just gonna tuck that right knee into your chest and then bring it up and out 45 degrees and just repeat that. Nice little lower body, nice little lower body warm up here. Really activating our hip flexors, our quads, glutes, hammies, a little bit of the calf there too. Just tuck it in and then out and just repeat that, beauties. All right, we're day number 3 out of 7. Y'all are, if you did day 1 and day 2, heck yeah, but if this is your first day, that's okay. Welcome, welcome. Let's switch the side, go left leg now, tuck that knee in, up and out, beauties, let's go. Gotta stop kicking my weights here. I keep forgetting how long my legs are. But we'll have a little bit more space since the time of this filming was during the holidays. So I got my Christmas tree, as you can see. So that'll open up more space in the studio here. All right, team, good job. Let's get started, okay? So as you can see, we're gonna start with a nice little single leg deadlift going, okay? And what's gonna happen, 2 variations here, okay? So you can either have that opposite foot elevated, or you can have that opposite toes down, or you can even have just that foot down, okay? But make sure that opposite foot is behind you, all right? So snag some light to medium weights here. I'm gonna start with some 10s, all right? So get those in hand. Okay, you can either hold 2 dumbbells, you can hold 1 dumbbell, a kettlebell, okay? Or even just do this without any weights. Still a challenging exercise. All right, team, let's start with that left leg first. Here we go. 3, 2, 1, and let's go. So just bring it down nice and easy, and then bring it back up, okay? Single leg deadlift here is one of the best workouts we can do to really challenge our balance, but then also challenge that leg strength in our glutes and in our hamstrings, stability in the calf muscles, and those micro muscles all throughout our foot, feet, both. All right, team, big inhale down, exhale up. If you're elevating that opposite foot, when you bring it back, when you get back to center, back to starting position, you can put those toes down to refresh. Try your best to keep that foot elevated at all times. Even I put my foot down here and there, which is a-okay. 3 variations, foot elevated, back toes behind us like this, okay? Or that even just having that foot down and then just hinging at that waist. Make sure that back is nice and straight. Let's switch the side. Go right leg now. 3, 2, 1, and go. Yeah, just make sure, since we're standing on our right leg now, that left leg is behind you. If you are doing the modified single leg deadlift, make sure that back is nice and straight, bringing those weights right above those toes, but not actually touching them. Inhale down, exhale up, squad, let's go. Looking good, team, looking good. Heck yeah, legs are on fire on this one. If you're feeling it a little bit too much in that lower back, just readjust, make sure that back is nice and straight. You wanna feel this in the glutes, in your hamstrings, a little bit in the calves too. And rest it up, beauties, great job. Okay, up next we got the squat holds, okay? So you can either do the sit to stands, and you can have that booty just barely touching wherever chair you're sitting on, and then sit back down and right back up when I call for that to come right back up. Or you can squat down low, hold, and then bring it back up. Snag a nice medium weight or 2 light weights. Let's get that underneath our chin like a goblet here. Okay, here we go. 3, 2, 1, and let's go. So squat down low, hold. Deep breaths here, team, deep breaths. And up, boom, good. Bring it down, hold. Remember, if you're doing the sit to stand, make sure that booty's barely touching your chair, your bench, whatever you're sitting on. Up, good. Down, let's go, hold. Deep breaths when you're low, deep breaths here. Feet shoulder width, knees behind the toes, team, let's go. And up, excellent. Here we go, down. Squat low, deep breaths here, beauties. And up, excellent. Keep it up, doing great. 15 minutes, squad. And up, good. Down, let's go. Up, good, last one here. Down, breathe, hold it, and rest. Come on up, great job. Nicely done. Okay, all right, so last thing we're gonna do, we're gonna do the single leg glute bridge. So get your mats, get a nice comfortable spot on the floor, get a resistance band. That is a nice light medium to medium resistance, okay? And then, as you can see, placing it around the legs, right above the knees, okay? And then we're focusing on right leg first, and then left leg. All right, team, here we go. Right foot down, left leg elevated, okay? Here we go. 3, 2, 1, and let's go. If the single leg is a little too challenging, you can just give me the regular hip bridge, okay? All right, single leg is pretty challenging, but if you want that challenge, please do it. Big push through those heels, through that right heel. Feel that tension in your hammies, in your glutes. A lot of glute work today, a lot of hamstring work. Let's go. All right, switch it up. Let's go. Left leg, 3, 2, 1, and go. If you're still doing both feet down, that's okay. So just continue with both feet. Keeping that, now we have the right foot elevated. Keeping that right foot as stable as possible. Leg's gonna move. But just make sure that right foot is a nice anchor. Nice anchor here, squad. Looking good, team, looking good. Keep it up. Almost there. And rest it up, team. Excellent. Carefully bring yourselves up. Let's get back to the first one, that single leg deadlift. Get those mats out of the way. Get the resistance bands out of the way. Okay. Get those weights again. If you need some water, please snag some. All right, if you're feeling spicy like me and you want to go up and wait a little bit, please do. All right, team, here we go. Grab those weights. Stay on that left foot. 3, 2, 1, and let's get it. I'm gonna try to get 3 rounds completed in these 15 minutes. Good leg workout. 3 challenging exercises for beginners, for seniors, and for anybody that wants to participate. But we got modifications for every exercise we do in a Jazz It Up workout. So anybody can join. However, the 7-day refresh is really directed towards beginners and seniors just looking for a little bit of guidance. You know, whenever you start this refresh, whether it's the beginning of a year, beginning of a month, beginning of a time that you haven't worked out in a while, that's A-okay. All right, beauties, good job. Let's switch the side. Right leg now. 3, 2, 1, let's go. Straight back. Inhale down, exhale up, let's go. I love the single leg deadlifts. Anybody can do them. Really challenges the balance. Remember, anybody can do them. Got those modifications when we need them. Toes down, foot down, or have that foot elevated. All right, squad. Great job. Take a breather. Snag those medium to medium heavy weights. Last time I was 15. I'm feeling a little spicy, gonna go 20. But if you wanna stick with what you had last time, that's A-okay. All right, squad, goblet squat with that hold. Okay, squat holds here, or those sit to stance. All right, team, here we go. Weights in hand, 3, 2, 1, and bring it down. Feet shoulder width, down, breathe, breathe, and up. Let's go. Bring it down. Deep breaths, let's go. Do not rest those elbows on those knees. And up. Beautiful, team. Let's go. Down. Deep breath. Come on, come on. Come on, come on. And up. Beautiful. Down. Let's go, let's go. Breathe, breathe, breathe. And up. Excellent. Last one. Let's go. Down. Breathe. Breathe. And rest it up, team. Excellent. Put those weights down. Okay. Snag those mats. All right, squad. Snag those resistance bands. Okay. Remember, modification is just having both feet down, still targeting both legs, just for an extended period of time. All right, team. Bands around those knees here. Right foot first, right foot down, left leg elevated, hands next to the hips here. Here we go. 3, 2, 1, and go. Push through that right foot and continue. So we have the resistance bands around our legs here. Okay, we're fighting that. We're really fighting in that tension, making sure that our legs are shoulder width, shoulder width. All right, so we're getting that a little bit of extra glute activation with the resistance band than we would without it. All right, beauties, switch it up. Let's go. Left leg, right foot elevated. 3, 2, 1, let's go. Big push through that left foot. Keep that right foot anchored. Doing great, squad. Almost there. Good. Rest it up, squad. That's round 2. Okay. We're gonna do a nice little rapid fire round here for round 3. All right, come on up carefully. We got about 4 more minutes here. Snag those weights. Get some water if you need it. Adjust your ponytail like me if you need it. All right, team, here we go. Snag those weights. Snag those light medium to medium weights here. Okay, single leg deadlift. We're gonna start with that left foot first. Here we go. 3, 2, 1, and let's get it. Doing awesome, team. Heart rate's elevated. Challenging our lower body today for day 3 of the 7-day refresh. Back nice and straight here, team. Kick that booty out. Really activate the hammies here. Really activate the glute, the butte. Excellent job, team. All right, almost there, squad. All right, switch it up, right foot, go right to it. Let's get it. Woo! Almost lost my balance there. See, even I sometimes lose my balance. Excellent job, squad. Keep it up. Back nice and straight here. Big push through those heels. Inhale down. Exhale up. All right, squad, good. Rest it up. Let's snag those weights. If you're feeling a little spicy and you want to go up in weight a little bit for these squat holds, please do. But stick with the weights you had last time if you just want to maintain those weights. All right, beauties, here we go. Weights in hand. Let's finish strong here. 3, 2, 1, and let's go. Bring it down and hold. Rapid fire, team, you're doing great. And up. Great job, squad. Down. Hold, hold, hold. Hold, hold, hold. Up. Good. Let's go. Down. Hold, hold, hold. Hold, hold, hold. Up. Good. Let's go. Down. Hold, hold, hold. Hold, hold, hold. Up. Good. Last one here. Down. Hold, hold, hold. Hold, hold, hold. And rest it up, team. Great job. Let's get it. Doing excellent. Last one. Let's finish strong here. 15 minutes. All right. Carefully bring your beautiful selves down. Place those bands around your knees here. All right. Excellent job, team. Almost done. Almost done. Let's get after it. Right foot down first. Here we go. 3, 2, 1, and let's get it. Big push through that right heel. Keep that left foot anchored. Left leg can move. Left foot anchored here. All right, team, switch it up. Let's go. Left leg down, right foot up. 3, 2, 1, and go. If you're doing the modified version with both feet down, that's a-okay. Keep that going. All right, squad. We're cruising, we're almost there. Good. Day 3 for 7-day refresh. All right, rest it up, beauties. Great job. Come on up. You earned it. Great work today. Okay. All right, so that's day 3 of the 7-day refresh. All right, squad, up next, I believe it's arm day. So let's get ready for that for tomorrow or whenever you're planning to do it, okay? Love each other, love yourselves. I'll see you in day 4 or I'll see you in another class, all right? Have a great day wherever you're at, and I'll see you soon. Adios.